How to wrap text around image in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay, so here I have my Google Docs. So let me put image here. So just go to the image. I just search image from web for. Okay, so I just take this image, so it will be working. Yeah, now its image has been, you know insert. Now what you need to do, when you click on image, you can see there is a option called inline image, inline, wrap text, break text, behind text, and the front of text. If you click on this, then the image will be like front on the text. Your text will be gone to the behind the image. But if you want to make text around the image, then you need to click on this wrap text. Now this you can see, if you minimize your image size, then it will be wrapped like this. Okay, the image text will be wrapped like this. Same as you can use any option to wrap your text, or you can go just right click on image, go to the image option, and here you can see the more option to, you have to break your text or style. You can see inline text, wrap text, break text, behind the text, and front of the text. Okay, that is how you can wrap text around the image in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.